What's good? It's your boy Chevy. We are back with another video. Bro, I got something super hype for you guys to see today. As you guys know, if you watched the last video, we got Shorty a new car, right? You guys rode along for that ride. We got Shorty the new car, showed you a little walk around of it. So of that car, we're talking 2019 RAV4 at Sally, all-wheel drive, all the good stuff that you need here in upstate New York, right? The one thing is missing, it does not have wireless CarPlay, right? That thing drives me nuts, right? Every time she has to hop in and out of the whip, she has to plug it in, unplug it, all that stuff. And my goal is to fix that today. She has no idea I ordered this for her. I know she's gonna be super excited because we had one in the Civic and we put one of these in there. If you guys didn't see that video, we had hooked up her 23 Civic that she had. Now we're gonna hook up her 19 RAV4. Let me show you what we're working with. It's this guy right here, right? I figured the technology has gotten better over the last year and a half or so here. And this right here is the Jim Loose wireless CarPlay, right? And this should allow her to be able to get in her car, and as soon as she gets in the car, it links right up with her phone, and then she can be rocking wireless CarPlay. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this installed today, and let's see what we got in the package. Let's go ahead and cut this guy open. Just gonna get a little slice across the front here. Should be good to go. Not trying to save the packaging or anything. Let's rip this off of here. Let's pull this out. All right, so this looks very simple. You guys can see this. Inside of the package, seems like the wireless CarPlay adapter piece. And then at the end of here is USB. Over here we have a USB to USB-C connector. So her car doesn't have USB-C. It does have USB-A. So we're going to use this piece right here and plug this in. This should be all we need. Let's pull that out of there. Super simple. And this thing is smaller than I thought it would be. Like on the package, look how huge that thing looks. But in person, this is it. This is all we're working with. So let's work our way over to the car. This should be one of those quick, like 10-minute things that you can do really quickly because I didn't want anything crazy. It is 14 degrees outside and I don't know if you guys can see that. It is cold. Let's go ahead and move on. Can you guys see me right now? Either way, I can see my breath right now. Yeah, it's chilly out here right now and I ain't talking soup. You know what I'm saying? All right, let's hop in the whips. Make sure I shut that door because it is cold. All right, I'm gonna start the car up right now. So now that we're down here, I'm gonna actually pull this guy out of here. It's a little piece she has. And then right down in this bucket down here, I'm gonna unplug her USB. And this is just a charger. This is also what she plugs her phone into to connect up to the CarPlay. And we're just gonna take this piece, the new one, and plug that in instead. So on the front it has a light, sort of let you know that it's working. Now all I'm gonna do is go over to my phone, go down to the Bluetooth settings and click on Smart Dongle. This is gonna connect. It's asking me for a code. Pair down here. Allow contacts and favorites, sync, allow, let the pairing go. Connect the Apple CarPlay, connect. Now we're over on the screen. It's gonna do its thing and boom. We are in. We are in. Bro, just that easy. You can see. Let me show you. My phone, right here, no connection. Over here, we are in CarPlay, but it's all there, but it's also probably syncing right now. So this should speed up a little bit over time. I go to my music, bang, bang. You can see your boy been bumping that Sleepy Hollow. I click that.
Can't tell her to deal with it.
And just like that, it's playing. So now I'm going to shut the car off just to test it out, mimic what this looks like on a normal day. We're just going to hook her car up. And the way you hook up another phone is hook it up to the Bluetooth and then do those same steps. So boom, let me go right here. I'm going to lock the car, right? Typical day, she comes out, it's early morning, she's trying to get ready, she's hopping in the car or she's leaving the store, right? She hops in the whip, unlocks it, gets inside, starts it up. All right, you guys hear it all starting up, doing the boot up process. Come over to the screen, it's gonna do its startup process. Just give it a second, we'll press continue here. Boom. It can obviously recognize the USB is plugged in, Apple CarPlay connected, and CarPlay is there and ready to go. And if I was playing music, it would automatically start playing. But if I click here, Boom, she's right into the system. And that's that easy, right? You can see everything that you're working with. Let me just click a couple things here. I'm gonna blur this out on the screen so you guys can't see where your boy is. Boom, just like that. The maps is working, everything is there and good to go. Bro, that is so simple. Like, so simple. If you guys haven't gotten this, make sure you get one. I'm going to make sure I leave a link down in the description so you guys can get the same exact one that I'm rocking with, because nothing's worse than seeing someone use something and then having to get something different, right? Over time, these systems just change. They make new ones. I'm going to try to make sure I update it with links of good, proper Apple CarPlay wireless for this video. Anyways, make sure to hit that like button, that subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you in the next video. It's your boy Chevy. We sign out with another one. And if you want to see what I got going on with the BMW coming up next, yeah, you're going to want to watch that, because, yeah, we got something sweet happening with the BMW. It's going to be a lot faster. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. It's your boy Chevy. We are hopping out of this video. Peace.
Okay. What's up? I've been on a paper chase for months. I've been on a marathon for months.